Dear students, how can we distinguish primaries, secondary, tertiary amines? Yes, so we can do this using Hinsberg reagent. So what is Hinsberg reagent? It is benzene sulfonyl chloride. Okay, so this upon treating with primary amine, it will forms an alkyl benzene sulfonamide. Okay, now it is having one acidic hydrogen, this one. So this upon treating with alkali like KOH, okay, so it will be forming a soluble compound like this, which is a salt. Okay, now when we are treating this with secondary amine, so it will be forming NN-dialkyl benzene sulfonamide, which is insoluble in the alkali medium. Why it is insoluble? Because there is no presence of acidic hydrogen. In the first case, here we have one acidic hydrogen which is not present here, therefore it is insoluble. Okay, so when it comes to tertiary amine, so tertiary amine won't react with this benzene sulfonyl chloride, therefore there is no reaction here. So this is how we can separate based on their reactivity manner. So what I told you, tertiary amine which is not react with benzene sulfonyl chloride. Okay, in case of secondary amine, yes, it will react with benzene sulfonyl chloride, but upon treating with alkali medium which is insoluble precipitate. Okay, so this is how we can identify secondary. Okay, when it comes to primary, yes, it reacts with benzene sulfonyl chloride and forms respect to N-alkyl sulfonamide, so which is upon treating with alkali medium forms a soluble compound which is salt. Yes, so this is how we can separate primary, secondary, tertiary amines. Hope it is clear, right? So now I will be projecting two questions here. One is from JEE and another one is from NEET. Yes, you can try this question and answer in the comment box. Yes, thank you for watching.